Scott on the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, I got a new truck. So, personal update, if you didn't see last week's video, People Suck, Part 2, then you probably don't know that I was involved in a hit and run. A F650 hit my truck and, well, tore the entire side of my bed up. So I got a new truck. I got questions when I posted it on Instagram/Facebook. You know, what did the insurance company total it? No, Carvana just gave me a buttload of money for it, even though it was damaged. I disclosed that. And, well, I bought a 2020 GMC Sierra. Half-ton, crew cab, 5.3 in it. According to my GM friends, there wasn't an abnormal amount of issues with the 2020s. It's been the 21s and the 22s that have had a lot of supplier issues. It's a used truck, not a new truck, so it's got 8,000 miles on it. Leather, heated and cooled seats. I've been driving the same 2012 Chevy Silverado, you know, since I bought it 4+ years ago. Put 70,000 miles on it. So I did something nice for myself and bought myself a new truck. Now, before I get all the comments, I can't stand Toyota's interiors. I don't like them. I don't think they're comfortable. They look cheap. Personal opinion. You can disagree with me. No, not a chance in Hades would I ever own a Dodge Ram. I'm sorry, there will always be Dodge Rams, not Ram. Too many problems with those things. Tip-ums, just too many problems. I do not like Chrysler products. I make a ton of money fixing Chrysler products. Might cost myself a bunch of money fixing my GMC, but it is what it is. Modern cars are where they're at. One of the things I want to point out is used cars are extremely limited, and obviously new cars are very limited. So my choices were very restricted on what I could buy. Almost bought a 2020 3/4 ton Chevy, but the fuel mileage kind of killed that because I drive a lot. And so I went with a half-ton again. The sweet spot where I wanted to be didn't really exist with a lot of options. It was higher mileage than I wanted, lower trim than I wanted. I didn't want to basically replace my truck with the exact same truck, just a couple years newer. I wanted a nicer truck. My truck was nice, but cloth interior, base level stereo, not a lot of bells and whistles, so I wanted to step up. Now let's talk about Ford. I looked at Ford. Had to be the 5.0 or the 6.2 or maybe the 7.3. 3/4 ton trucks are in extremely slow supply, like low supply. You'd look on like Carvana, where I bought my truck, and you'd see F250s that haven't even had pictures put up, and they're already in process of being bought without pictures. So that's how short a supply the F250s were. F150s, I didn't find a lot that I wanted. I'm not buying an eco anything. If I was going to buy a Ford, it was going to be a 5.0. Sorry, Ford Tech, make you loco, but those cooler lines in the back of the turbo suck. So that left me with General Motors products. And well, I've been driving GM for a long time. You know, I've bought 2 Chevrolet products, brand new, and not doing that right now because, well, you can't even if I wanted to. I bought a slightly used 2020 GMC Sierra. So my truck, my decision, I get to live with it. I get to pay for it. So just figured I'd give you an update on, well, what's going on in my life. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.